Hello, how you doing? How was the week? I'm very happy to see you back on my channel. I'm very excited to share that I have finally started my new project, and as I have promised, I have started it from the research of the marketing of market trends and what kind of games are popular on the Google Play. Because first I will start with the Google Play. So during the research I have opened for myself lots of new and lots of unexpected. What I can share straight away, that Kinsales didn't stood any chance against the market. So let me share how I have been conducting my research, and I will add some comments and some explanation on the research approach and what outcomes and takeovers I took from the research. For the research, I have started from defining the KPIs of my research, because generally in any kind of activities you are involved, would it be project or would it be some research, would it be anything, you should start from the KPIs definition. The main KPIs were next. First of all, I've tried to look at the games which got about 5 million plus installs, because I need to have the game mechanics which are already battle-proven and popular among the gamers community. My internal goal is 30 plus retention, but it's not related to current research, so it's just my goal, my retention goal, which I'm aiming to. Then effort, it's implementation effort, which should be easy. What means easy? It's an abstract definition. If you divide the games by 3 levels, like easy, hard and medium, by looking at the game you can define is it easier or something like that. And because I want to have something simple and something fast to implement, I'm aiming for the non-multiplayer game, so it should be single player. Also, I have defined a couple next metrics like effort, age, sex, boys, girls, all, and IP based. IP means the intellectual property, so I don't want to mess with any kind of games and game mechanics which are deeply related to some kind of intellectual property. As an example, you can take the Marvel Snap or something like that, which has the underlying IP to make the game more profitable. And I have defined the list of game genres which I'm expecting to see. Most popular genres we have on the market. For the research, I have used the portal ISOMobile. Nothing special about ISOMobile. It's yet so far another platform which tracks games and application performance. Nothing special about it. So it's just good enough as all other on the market. What I have done, I went to the top charts, selected filter Google Play in the United States market and choose top 200 games. And basically that's it. I have the list of top performing games in the United States. Having the list of top performance games, I went through vast majority of them. To be more precise, I went through almost 130 of them, and for each of them I have added the brief evaluation to the evaluation table. Table columns are the next. It's game name, its amount of installs in millions, its main game genre, its effort to implement, so it's abstract effort, would it be easy, hard or medium. Next column is age, sex, multiplayer, IP-based, link, and couple more columns for my team. So it's implementation option, it's my opinion, if I see our team capable to implement this, and I generally alright with implementing such game. I have a special column for my lead developer. The very same condition: does he has needed interest and experience, and another column for ISO specialists to understand what kind of chances we have for the particular game mechanic or particular game to go with. The very interesting insight is that among the top performance, there are not so much AAA games, there are not so much super difficult games, there are not so much like different game mechanics. So the top of mobile gaming world is occupied by puzzles, Match 3, by word puzzles, by solitaire, by Squid Games like games. That's very funny. And you don't have to overcomplicate stuff to be on top of the top performance list. I want to share with you a couple very funny and interesting facts which appear to be funny to me. So let's say I can say that there is a such genre game I call Squid Game. It's about 5 games which were built on top of the Squid Game scenario. You can see it already by the previews. So it's survival. It's not called like Squid Game, but by the name or prison game or by some kind of number. So they are not telling it directly, but there are signs. Another funny thing that the quite simple game Solitaire, it's a Grand Pass card game, is very popular as well. So it's a real world of the card games, and it has crazy amount of installs. Having the table complete and having all the most of application reviewed and estimated and evaluated, I can simply do sorting by the amount of installs, starting from billion to millions. I can filter out by effort. So let's say I definitely will not be looking at games which are hard to implement, and I will sort them by easy first. So I have double sort by effort and amount of installs. Definitely I want to avoid any kind of multiplayer applications, games. I mean, definitely I want to avoid any kind of IP-based games, and voila, I have the possible game mechanics I can look for, and I can think of to build my own game. So I have chosen the game mechanic which I generally like. For instance, I would like to work on the block puzzle, on arcade. Arcades are pretty much acceptable to me. Sorters, merging, sorter, and so on and so far. I definitely not go to the solitaire territory, and I don't want to work on the word puzzles. So I'm not greedy enough to go for word puzzles. And yes, I would be avoiding Squid Games because it's very contextual, and the second season of Squid Games is over, so this type of game will just go down. That's it about market research. So now I have the list of the popular game mechanics. I have a sub-list of preferred game mechanics which are preferred by me. During the week I will get the list of preferred game mechanics which are preferred by my team. During the next days or till the next weekend, we'll narrow down this list of game mechanic to 1 or 2 games. Then I will be playing these particular game mechanic games for a while, maybe for a couple days, to understand what is sketchy there and how they produce this cheap dopamine. That's it for today. Please share in the comments below what kind of game mechanic you would like me to implement, and make a bet what kind of game mechanic would it be by the end. See you!